Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Jose Torres' property here in Norcross, Georgia. I'm currently standing on the back slope, which I believe is the south-facing slope. Here's an overview of the roof. As you can see, we have widespread wind damages, blown off shingles, creased shingles, pretty much on every directional slope. So today I'm here to remove a damaged shingle and replace it with a new shingle. I'm gonna let you guys follow along during that process. I'm gonna remove one of these blown off shingles. That way, I'm not leaving them susceptible to any more leaks. Here is a condition shot of the shingles before we start. I'm also gonna take some up close photos of some condition shots. As you can see, these shingles are very worn, very brittle. You can just do that and it'll tear. So obviously that's why we have a lot of missing shingles, torn shingles. But like I said, I'm gonna let you guys follow along, get you guys set up on this cushion right here. Make sure you guys can see all of the shingles. Alrighty, guys. I do have a roof snake, which I will be using to put these nails back in. Oh, well, it looks like they're actually staples. So I'm not gonna be able to use this to remove them. So you can see right here, I'll show you guys what we're talking about. Looks like these shingles are held together by staples. You can kind of see that on all these shingles. So it's gonna be a little harder to remove these guys just because they're staples. It's gonna have two points that go into the decking instead of just one with a regular nail. Some of these sealed guys, I forgot to unseal these. I did unseal that one to see where the shingles ended. Pull this one out of my hand. Staples are never the way to go. Oh, man. As you can already tell, guys, this roof is going to be very difficult to do individual repairs on. Not only is it brittle and old, but you have to do more manipulating due to the staples. All right. That one had two in there. the shingle ripped, but please come out. Yes. Okay. I believe that was the last one. Should just slide out. I'm going to show you guys right here. So you can already see the areas where these granules have fallen off due to the repairs. But as you can see here, the shingle tore. You can see now that it's lifted up how brittle these shingles are. You can see the fiberglass coming through on the edges. They're just very worn. They only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 box vents ventilating this whole roof. But I'll continue this repair, guys. The shingle should just pop out right now. It does. All right, let's put the new shingle in its place. Trash somewhere. Alrighty, guys. Last one, guys. As you can see, some of these didn't go in as easy as the other ones. The first one I actually had to remove the roof snake and just nail it in with the hammer. Alrighty, guys. New shingle, it's in its place. I want to point out a couple things. Not only do we have clear lines where the granules fell off, we have a tear, but the roof snake actually causes more damage than it does good. As you can tell, this is where the roof snake actually sits. Let me show you guys. So nail here, roof snake sits here. Now when you hammer it and hit it here, this rubs and actually impacts these shingles, just like a large hail hit would. So now this shingle is damaged as well. I'll go ahead and chalk this up for you guys, that way you guys can get a better look. Thank you for your consideration.